Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a spotlight video looking at our brand new Rex Sentry 3-piece slant razor. Two years ago, we launched the world's first and still only adjustable American-made slant stainless steel razor. It's a mouthful, I know, but the whole concept of a slant razor has been around from Germany for decades. And it's kind of just a simple concept of taking a blade and instead of chopping at it perpendicular, you put it on a slight angle and slide through it. It actually gets its origins from the guillotine of all places. I know it's kind of creepy and morbid, but it's really effective. When you have a blade slice, it has more time for that edge to kind of move across the surface and kind of to slice through it. And you know this if you've been at home and you're cutting tomatoes or vegetables and you go straight down, it has one level of effort versus if you slice through it, you're going to find that it's so much more effective. And on a small scale, it may seem like hype or just BS, but it really does make a difference if you have that blade at a slight angle. It makes for a more efficient, more comfortable, closer shave experience. And so we took that concept of a slant razor that started its life with our Konsul from Rex Supply, being adjustable where you can change the way it shaves. And now we're bringing it down to a 3-piece design where it's simple, it's fixed, it's a slant razor that has one exposure setting, and that's it. Pretty simple concept, right? You'll notice first and foremost that the razor is made in USA. It has a lifetime warranty. It's made of stainless steel, and this razor is beautifully machined here locally in the Phoenix, Arizona area. We do all the finishing in-house, and by finishing, we do 2 different stages of tumbling. We do brush finishing, passivation, sandblasting, laser engraving. All that occurs in-house. It's complete control in our shop. The handle has a beautiful diamond grip, as we're calling it, and this grip is super efficient at holding the razor for you and not slipping in your hands, even if you're using it in the shower or with soapy fingers. It's got a great weight and balance. It's a perfect length. It's exactly the same size as a vintage Fat Boy razor, so if you like that kind of classic design, you're going to like the Sentry. And the Sentry razor here, it's going to give that shave for someone who's got more of coarse hair, sensitive skin. It's going to deliver for you a very clean, comfortable, close shave with no irritation, no need for multiple passes. It's also going to deliver the kind of shave that you're looking for if you have ingrown hair issues, if you've tried other razors and you just can't get that good shave. This Sentry razor I think could be for you. I know that we went through many rounds of prototyping and testing to develop what it is now, and I think it's very unique. It's very comfortable. A lot of times when people see the look of a slant razor, they get intimidated. It looks scary to them. It's not a straight bar. They have maybe a fear of it feeling like another slant razor that did them wrong, so to speak. But this is actually a very gentle shaving razor, but it's efficient. I can't get over that word. You're going to do a single pass and you're going to go and feel your stubble and you're going to be like, wow, it's like a laser. It is blade neutral. It is not meant to have a blade feel to it. Just like with our other kind of 3-piece and adjustable relationship with Ambassador and Envoy, the Sentry razor approximates the Konsul around setting 4. So a little bit more up on the range. But it's just wonderful. It has the hole in the bottom to put on the base for the Rex razors. All of it will fit. Another really kind of cool feature we do, and this is more of just an aesthetic, is we have a counter bore put into the guard here so that when you put this handle on, it mates and actually gives a perfectly clean look to that bottom. I just think they're machined to go together perfectly. It looks like doors on a BMW that's just mated together perfectly, meant to go together. I'm really proud of this razor. The new Sentry razor is something that is going to be an instant classic, I feel, and it's going to be something that is going to kind of change the way people think of Rex razors, because a lot of people think, oh, Rex is adjustable razors, or oh, Rex is maybe more blade feel kind of razors. This is going to be like a sneaky laser that's just going to kind of just go through your hair effortlessly and deliver a clean, comfortable, close shave. Price point on this is $189 US, and you should be able to see this in stores around the world shortly. Our first production run is kind of a more of a sample. We always do a small run at first, but I think once we get into full production, this is going to be an instant classic. So the Sentry 3-piece slant razor from Rex Supply Company.